Hey there, aspiring content creators. Welcome to Smansatech, your go-to channel for all things tech and creativity. Today we're going to dive into an exciting topic, starting your own YouTube channel in 2023. If you've ever dreamed of sharing your ideas, knowledge, or creative talents with the world, this video is for you. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of starting a YouTube channel, let's talk about the 6 important factors you need to consider. These factors will help set a solid channel success. Ready? Let's go. The first factor is finding your passion. What are you truly passionate about? Whether it's technology, gaming, cooking, or fashion, your channel should reflect your genuine interests. An interest is something that sparks your enthusiasm, holds your attention, and brings you a sense of fulfillment. It's an activity or topic that you find enjoyable and don't feel tired doing. When you engage in your interests, you enter a state of flow, experiencing deep focus and a sense of being in the zone. Pursuing your interests is not only enjoyable but also beneficial for your personal growth and overall well-being. It allows you to express yourself, develop new skills, and find a sense of purpose and fulfillment in your life. Sharing your passion will help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. So, grab a pen and paper, make a list of your interests, and narrow it down to the topic you're most excited about. The second factor is target audience. Once you've found your passion, it's time to identify your target audience. Who do you want to reach with your content? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your content to their needs and preferences. Research your target audience's demographics, interests, and preferences. This will guide your content creation process and ensure that you're delivering value to the right people. The third factor is content strategy. Now that you know what you're passionate about and who your audience is, it's time to plan your content strategy. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful channel. Decide on the type of content you want to create, such as tutorials, vlogs, or reviews. Create a content calendar and set a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to. This will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. The fourth factor is equipment and setup. Now, let's talk about the equipment and setup you'll need to kickstart your YouTube journey. Don't worry, you don't need to break the bank. A decent camera, good lighting, and clear audio are essential. You can start with your smartphone and gradually invest in better equipment as your channel grows. The fifth factor is branding and channel design. Your channel's branding and design play a significant role in attracting viewers and creating a memorable impression. Design a captivating channel banner, create a catchy channel name, and craft a compelling channel description. Consistency in your branding across your channel and social media profiles will help build a strong brand identity. The sixth factor is engagement and promotion. Last but not least, engagement and promotion are crucial for growing your channel. Engage with your audience through comments, respond to their feedback, and build a community. Promote your channel on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and utilize SEO techniques to increase your discoverability. Remember, starting a channel takes time and effort, so stay consistent, be authentic, and have fun along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Smansatech community. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And there you have it, the 6 important factors to consider when starting your YouTube channel in 2023.